Hello student, welcome to shsirclasses. Today constructing 25-degree angle by using compass. So today drawing 25-degree angle by using compass. So before starting the video, I have one request. Please subscribe channel and press the bell icon. So first of all, drawing a line of any length here. Okay, and this is AB line. Next, putting the compass on the point A and drawing a arc by this way. Okay, and with same length and putting the compass here and drawing arc. So cut the line by this way. Okay, next this is C, D, E point. Next, taking the distance A and E by compass. Okay, and putting the compass on the point E and drawing a arc here. Okay, so again with same distance and drawing a arc here, and which cut at a point. This is the intersecting point. Next, this is P point. So next, joining this P and A. So joining this, and by joining this we got 50-degree angle. So this is 50-degree angle. So checking here whether it is 50 or not. So this is perfectly 50-degree. Okay, next, taking the length greater than half of the arc and drawing arc here, and putting the with same length and putting the compass and draw a arc. Okay, next, joining this. Okay, so joining this, and this is Q point. So angle QAB is 25-degree angle. So next, checking. So this is perfectly 25-degree angle. So this is 25-degree angle. So therefore angle QAB equal to 25-degree angle. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment on my video.